Hey there YouTube. In today's video I'm going to show you how to take these foggy old headlights, make them like new again, and last the longest out of any possible way you can do this. All you've got is 4 screws to hold this thing in. Plug in your bulbs. Make your wiring connections. Okay, so here's the deal, YouTube. Basically, you can polish these things as much as you want till you're blue in the face. No matter what you do, even if you make them look good, they're going to fade again rather quickly. Now the reason for that is there's UV screeners in the plastic. Once the plastic starts to degrade, those UV screeners are gone, there's nothing left to protect the plastic from the sun, and you're always going to have problems with them fading. You can do it as many times as you want, but ultimately, the best way to fix the problem, just go buy a new set of headlight. I bought these ones for 189 bucks for the pair, shipped off of eBay, so it's not very expensive as far as truck parts go. And it's not a hard thing to do. It took me 15 minutes to change out that headlight, which is probably just as long as it would have taken me to polish it. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thanks, have a good day.